there's the prices for here. 24 hours, £12.50. And as you can see, there are loads of spaces for coaches stroke motorhomes, and there's a McDonald's just over there.
So we managed to park up at Seasiders. The barrier was closed when we got here, so we came in the exit, which was open because two big motorhomes couldn't clog up the road. Lynn tried ringing the council, no answer, so we hung around for a bit. I got cheesed off with hanging around, so I went and found a number from the event that was on, which was filming a Brassic, I think Stephen said, and rung that number that said if you had any problems. I said, look, the barrier's still closed, are we allowed to park? And he said yeah. So we paid, we've parked, so yeah, Blackpool, here we go. Yeah, right.
Yeah, Blackpool.
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 So yeah, we just come for a walk with the dogs, and then we're going to try and come out later for the lights.
So here we have the comedy carpet in Blackpool.
So basically, I'll try and pan the camera down so you can see. It's loads of famous people's names. We're upside down.
On this one, yeah, the other's to the right. Famous quotes and
Comedians.
yeah.
I don't recognise anything so far. Maybe I'm a bit too young. No, I don't recognise anything. Well, there's Doug on the comedy carpet. And Daisy. We're in Blackpool. Can you not
like
tell?
Eskimos.
It's absolutely freezing, but it's cool. See the tram behind us coming up, and the tower in the background. Where are you? Come back. You like Blackpool?
Yeah.
Should we go for some fish and chips?
Can we have a naughty hotel?
No. No. You want to go on the pier?
I don't need the long
You
one.
want to go on the big wheel?
No. No. I'll go on the pier then.
I want some chips.
Yeah, I'll get you some chips. I'll treat you.
Get off here, it's too busy, isn't it?
Oh, it's crazy busy.
It's absolutely nuts. Let's come out for a walk this morning. There's an absolutely perfect rainbow. How gorgeous is that? So, Seasiders, probably a good park up, not on the day we did it. Saturday night on Bonfire night, and it was a football match, so it was loud all day, it was busy all day, and the fireworks were bad up until about 1 o'clock last night. So yeah, it's not somewhere we would come back to on the weekend. We were just forced into it just because it was closed for the filming of Brassic. So I'm going to go back to the van, get Stephen out of bed, and then we're going to find where we're going next. Good morning.
Morning.
What did you think about Seasiders?
Great for location, noise-wise. It probably didn't help with the combination of football match, bonfire night, and weekend.
Saturday night, yeah. So you already had my opinion. I told you when I was walking the dogs. I preempted and took a Piriton before I went to bed, and it knocked me out cold. That was not good as well. But yeah, like I said, we wanted to do it on Thursday, but it was closed, so we couldn't. That was the reason we picked Thursday, because we thought Blackpool will be quiet for the lights, and it wasn't a weekend. So yeah, we've had to flip it on its head a little bit and do it on Saturday.
Yeah. I mean, it's great location-wise. Is brilliant.
Very, very central.
Actually, a few-minute walk and you're in the centre of Blackpool.
Yeah. So Blackpool done and dusted. I don't think we'll be going back to that park up.
Nah.
So we're on our way to a site in
Lichfield.
So we need to charge everything back up. I need a proper shower. So do you.
Yes. Well, a proper one, yeah. I've had one in the van, but it's literally on, off, on, wet, soap, off. That's it.
Yeah, we've still got 30% water on board, so we've not used all of our water, which is good. So that's 3 days.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, we're into day 4.
Yeah, we're into day 4 now, still on 30% water, so it's not too bad, but yeah, we are needing a site now. And luckily we had the toilet dump in Lytham, so that helps immensely.
Yeah.
I just realised I'm not...
If you want to do it, go Lytham, because your toilet dump's just round corner.
Yeah, it's brilliant, that one.
It's worth it. That's the big, well, you got water and...
Can you fill up with water there?
I don't know.
Right.
But the fact of the matter is, the most thing that lets you down when you're out camping is the toilet. Time-wise, so...
Yeah, because you can always buy water in the shop, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are on our way to Lichfield now. We're going to be there quite early because we can't get on this site till 2. And we have to be off Seasiders by 9 because it was 24 hours that we paid for. So we're taking a slow tootle down, see if we can park up in Lichfield, because we're going to need some cash, because I think it's got a laundrette. If not, we're going to his mum's tomorrow, so we'll go to the Revolution in Saltney.
Yeah, what route? That's the one up at Lichfield way.
Yeah. Yeah, so doing alright. We just put another 100 quid in diesel in.
Another.
So this saving money malarkey is not going very well at the minute, is it?
It's a necessary evil, because if you're doing things, it costs money. Fuel, we've done a whole lot, 3 days for £22.50, would I be right? £10 at Lytham for 48, and yeah, £12.50 at Seasiders for 24. Yeah, so we've done 3 days worth of parking for that amount of money. £22.50. That's a bargain.
It is a bargain, and then £1 to dump the toilet. So yeah, and we were looking at sites last night because we're trying to find a 16 amp so we can charge everything back up. The Bluetti's done absolutely amazing, hasn't it?
Bang on.
We had
60% battery, and we've had the van on it for 3 hours last night, and we've charged everything up this morning. Phones.
Yeah, we had no solar yesterday because it peed it down most of the day, so we had to hook the van up to it last night, and it's coped brilliantly, hasn't it, to be fair.
60% left in it.
Still 60%, we charged everything apart from the Hoover, so I'm going to do that on site.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been alright. Had a good time as always with Rob and Lynn. They are behind us, so we're heading more towards their direction, aren't we? Yeah. We did try and find somewhere in Cheshire, so we could stay kind of more local to Stephen's mum's. We couldn't really find a site under 30 quid, could we?
No, Northwich, Nantwich, Knutsford, all them sort of sites ranging from just over 30 quid up to 40 quid a night.
Absolutely mental. It's like low season. It's the winter campsite, people. What you playing at? So yeah, we just refused to pay it, and we'd rather pay the extra diesel and go a little bit further.
For less money.
Yeah, I know it's like probably we spend more in diesel doing that, but the van needs a run anyway because we've just been tootling around Lytham and Blackpool, haven't we?
Well, we just did what, 3 miles from Lytham to Blackpool.
So the van needs a good run. Yeah, so enough waffle, and we'll pick you up if we can park in Lichfield. I'll have a look. I'll park for now. So it's currently nearly 1 o'clock. We tried coming to the pub down the road from the campsite, so we're parked on their car park. They haven't got any tables because it's Sunday afternoon and it's reservation only, so we are loitering because the campsite is just up there. There's Stephen scoffing a pot pie because I'm starving. So yes, from our vlog where we had the campsite wardens, moans and groans, we do get it because we are on the other side of it sometimes, but then we also realise that those poor wardens probably need their dinner. Don't they? Because we've been there, done that. So yeah, we're just gonna have a cup of tea. Hopefully the pub don't try and kick us off because God knows where we're supposed to go. It's like in the middle of nowhere, and we'll see how we get on. We were going to stop at Tesco. It was a stupid what's it called, multi-storey car park, and a small normal car park, so we just got some cash and legged it because obviously Rob's van's like 8 metres. What are we, 7.6? It's 2 big vans to try and find a space for. So yeah, see you when we get to the campsite. So we are here. I'm now waiting for somebody's using the washing machine, so I'm waiting for the washer to be free so I can get on with some washing, and I'm going to have a shower. That feels grim, but I'll show you where we are. Orchard Marina in Lichfield. So yeah, it's like a nice little site, doesn't it?
Not bad. Looks alright. So far so good, I think.
So as you walk up to where the showers and toilets are, you have to pay a deposit to get a key, because it's also shared with the canal boaters as well, and you get that back obviously when you take your key back. But yeah, there's some people moaning on reviews about it being busy, but obviously if it's shared, it's going to be busy, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it depends on the time you shower, doesn't it?
Yeah, so I'm hopefully, because it's up the hill up there, going to take the washing and myself, so I'm going to have to do one trip. Yeah, so, and it was it's tokens for the washing machine and dryer. I've got 2 lots of each because I've got quite a big bag of washing, and it was 15 quid, so not too bad. So I'll take you for a walk around because it seems to have gone a bit sunny.
It does at the moment.
So I've been up for a shower, got a wash load on. Showers are good actually. Busy because obviously the people at the marina use them as well. I could hear people like outside going, "Oh, does it, when it's red, does it mean it's occupied?" What do you think? But yeah, good showers, not push button, loads and loads of hot water. The floor gets a bit wet, but that's pretty average for campsite showers, isn't it? And I've just got 10 minutes now before I can put my next wash load on. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're off for a little walk. Weather wasn't great yesterday, was it?
No, it wasn't.
So this is our pitch behind us, I'll show you. So as you can see, they're not massive. We're 7.6 metres. Rob's 8 metres, and we're hanging out into the road. Aren't we?
We are.
And it does say the pitches are 8 metres on pitch up, but they're definitely not. So just as you come in the entrance is the Elsan point, which is that little grey thing to the side. You've got disposable refuse points here, and then you turn up the hill to walk towards the marina. So up at the marina you've got the reception, which is just through there, some toilets and showers which you need a key for, you have to pay a deposit for, and in here is a washer and dryer, and there's also washing up facilities as well. So this is the little marina behind us. How cute is that? Sorry, the dogs are trying to pull me in.
That's cool. You can hire the day boat. It's got a little kitchen in it, and it looks like a sink and a cooker and whatnot, and some seating area. Fine for a day out, that.
You'll be doing that for a real longer, won't you?
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's our van and Rob and Lynn's van down there. So this is the gate where you get through to the towpath, which you get your little key for. And now you're out on the canal. And on the other side of the marina and reception is another toilet block and a washing up area. So we were wondering why it was part of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, but this is why. It's got a little CL with electric points. It's obviously closed in the winter because it's pretty muddy. But yeah, it'd be nice in the summer. Cute.
Got under your skin, all in. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colours.
So it's a nice little site. We definitely recommend it, don't we?
Yeah, it's a good site.
Over that way, where we're facing the building the HS2 line, aren't we?
Yes.
So yeah, there's lots of roadworks on the way here. So we are going to go back to the van, get some breakfast,
Yeah.
get packed up, get on the way to your mum's.
Yeah, indeed.
So we will leave you with this one for now.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for watching. As always, please remember to like and subscribe.
Comment and the notification bell. I can't think what it's called.
And we'll see you in the next one. See you later.
See you later.